Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download SolidWorks 2026 student version for free using the official and safe method. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for SolidWorks download. Then scroll down and click on the community download page or simply visit the official SolidWorks website. I've also added the link in the description. Once the website opens, scroll down to the contact information section and fill in your details, including your first name, last name, email address, and select student. Next, under product information, choose the SolidWorks version you want. If you already have a serial number, select yes. If you don't have one, select no and continue. On the next page, click accept and continue. Your download will be ready. Simply click the download button and wait for the installer to finish downloading. That's it. You have successfully downloaded the SolidWorks 2026 free trial directly from the official website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.